Breaking news this morning, more than a dozen wildfires force mandatory evacuations in the popular tourist town of Gatlinburg.
At least 14 fires are burning right now in the area, and the worst drought in Tennessee in nearly a decade.
This morning, we have you covered with team coverage on this breaking news story.
Fox 17 This Morning starts right now.
You're watching Fox 17 This Morning with A.J. Hilton, Jennifer Waddell, Skywatch 17 meteorologist Craig Edwards, and Steer Clear Traffic with Samantha Russell. This is Fox 17 This Morning.
Good morning, and thanks for waking up with us here on Fox 17. I'm Jennifer Waddell. A.J. Hilton, we continue to follow breaking news this morning.
Yeah, we're talking about the wildfires raging in Sevier County, and right now we can tell you a mandatory evacuation is underway. Schools, dozens of homes and businesses, even the theme park Dollywood are at risk this morning.
We've got Dollywood, Dreammore Resort. We have the aquarium, all threatened by this wildfire, and schools in 3 counties in East Tennessee are closed right now.
One school has already been completely destroyed overnight by the fire. At least 30 other buildings in Gatlinburg have burned to the ground, and that includes a hotel and an apartment complex.
So much devastation in such a beautiful part of our state this morning. As we mentioned, we do have team coverage. We begin with Fox 17's Harriet Wallace, who is live in Gatlinburg.
Let's get to her right now, along with Skywatch 17 meteorologist Craig Edwards. He's going to explain how this weather is affecting these dangerous conditions.
Well, let's go ahead and begin with what's happening on radar, and we'll go immediately on out to the east. I want to show you what's happening in the Gatlinburg area right now. This is our live Doppler radar. Now, we have a code red in our weather for today because we're expecting more storms to come in for tonight. The storms that came through Middle Tennessee last night are now over the eastern part of the state, and that's good news because they need this rain desperately over those mountainous areas where, once again, these fires are going on. Here's Sevierville, here's Pigeon Forge, this is Sevier County, and you can see those yellows and the blues showing up out there in the greens. This is all rain that's falling in the area. Now, they still have some wind accompanying this. I just checked the temperature in Gatlinburg just a moment ago. It's 52 degrees with this rain that's falling out there. Hopefully, this is helping out those firefighters as they're still trying to put out those fires that are going on in this area. These showers, once again, are making their way to the east, so there's only about another hour and a half or so of rain left, and then the rain will be over with. All of these showers, once again, kind of heading in this direction into the mountains and then toward North Carolina and back over toward Virginia. So that's going to move on out of the area. They still have some wind advisories in effect in that area as well, but those wind advisories are coming to an end. Well, they just ended, as a matter of fact. So just came to a close as of 6 o'clock. So the advisories have ended. Last wind I was seeing there was around 8 miles per hour. So it has calmed down a bit as far as the wind is concerned. That's certainly something the firefighters have been keeping an eye on as they've been watching this and working with working on those fires as they've been going through the night. Now, for us, we're seeing clear skies. Very interesting picture coming in from our sky eye. I want you to look at this. Notice all the blue that's out there. The sun already lighting up the sky. It almost looks like we have mountains. Those are clouds, folks. We're just looking at the edge of that cloud base as it's making its way eastward and moving toward the folks in East Tennessee. So that's all moving out. We're going to see plenty of sunshine here for today, and temperatures are really going to warm up. We've dropped down to 59 degrees. We have crystal clear skies out there right now. So a lot of sunshine as soon as that sun gets just above the horizon. Here's all that rain that's off to the eastern part of the state. Once again, tracking through there. Only a little bit of that left. Then they're going to be left with fighting those fires again later on for today. For us, clear skies, lots of sunshine coming in. And then later on for today, our threat of severe weather is going to start to move in. This is our Skywatch 17 future track. You can see all the sunshine at noon today. As we head into the afternoon hours, then we start to see the clouds building and the showers moving in. 6 o'clock, the rain just starting. Here come the bigger thunderstorms, though. This is at 8 o'clock this evening. You see them south of Dixon. That's over north of Columbia. Also, a few of them around Nashville toward Wilson County as well and down to the south. And this is going to be the case as we head through the evening. These scattered showers and thunderstorms, heavy downpours, and also some straight line winds that could do some damage. So we may get some warnings issued on these storms as we head through the evening hours for tonight. Then eventually they'll start heading off to the east after about 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. So showers and thunderstorms in your forecast for today. High temperatures will top out at 73. The risk of that severe weather is going to come in right here as we head into the evening hours. But during the day, lots of sunshine and the high will top out at 73. We'll take a look at your 7-day forecast coming up in just a couple of minutes.
Craig, thank you very much. We do want to continue our team coverage this morning on the breaking news out of Gatlinburg, as so many buildings are gone. In fact, I wanted to just highlight a couple that you might recognize. The little wedding chapel there in Gatlinburg has burned to the ground this morning. The Mountain Lodge restaurant, a lot of folks stopped there to eat on their way in and out of Gatlinburg. It is gone. We have the aquarium threatened, Dollywood threatened, the Dreammore Resort all threatened this morning. And we also have a crew there on the ground in Gatlinburg. Fox 17's Harriet Wallace is live right now to give us the latest update. Good morning, Harriet.
Hey, good morning, Jen. Again, this is a very, very fluid and even, dare I say, scary